All right, the next step I want to show you is presentation. You know, this step gets skipped a lot by students. A lot. Most of the time, you get done with a model and it rots on your hard drive, and that's not one of those things you want to have happen. If it's a good model, you need to represent it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to build out and then present online using this nice little script. All right, so here's what I'm going to have. I'm going to have this. I'm going to have the play, the go, the stop, everything else. And later on I might develop more sidebars, but this is how it works. File, build settings. Make sure it's only got the one build that you're going for, and I would keep it simple and start that way. Okay. Do not do the multiple levels until you know how to switch it with the buttons. So only have one in there for right now. I'm going to play this as a web player. Okay. And I'm going to hit build and run. Okay, now where you place this, it does not matter anywhere, but I'm going to save it as index. Why? Because it'll make an index HTML, and that'll save me one step there. And there we go. It's a web. So look, it's running right in Firefox. Now, things that you might want to change, like Unity Web Player Index. How about Unity Player Index up at the top? Those things, very simple stuff. If you have Dreamweaver or if you have a notepad handy, that's nice too. How about I keep it simple, stupid for people that have no Dreamweaver and can't afford Dreamweaver? How about I use TextEdit? Okay, maybe not TextEdit, because TextEdit relies on what's Unitron? Okay, Unitron works, and this comes with Unity. Yay. All right, so at the top here under title, you might not want that. You might want something like turntable example for me. Okay. And then down here, somewhere, there's another thing that's showing up. And all this is code saying, hey, if you don't see the player, because you're going to need the player, if you don't see the player, install the player. Here's created with Unity. I'm going to leave that in because I like to support them. Unity Web Player Index is missing, so I'm going to look for that. There we go. It's under H2. There we go. Plug my name. I don't know why. And then save that out. So here we go. In Firefox, I should now be able to refresh this. And now it has Jason Welch's example and turntable example. Good. All right, that should be it for that. Now we have to load it up on the internet. And to do that, I love this application. It's called Fire FTP. So Fire FTP allows me to FTP into my host. Now, if you're unfamiliar with hosts, that's another story altogether. You should read a little bit. Okay, so Bluehost.com is where I go to. I love the service. I've been kicked out of places all my life with the internet because I've had video streaming and hosts that just went belly under and all kinds of craziness. Bluehost stands true. All right, so here what I want to do is make a new folder. So I'm going to go down here a little bit and create directory, and I'll call this 3D turntables. And within 3D turntables, what I want to do is plop in this nice nifty code. And what's nice about this is I can go in and surf my hard drive, find the two, and throw it into this directory. Look how small the code was. That's insane. All right, so now I should be able to go like this. I should say and there we are, live online. And I could share that URL out with anybody. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the series of presenting your models using the Unity game engine, how to get them online, how to put them in the engine, how to script the graphic user interface. And have a good one. On to the next video set.